sa katotohanan, mas maayos ako nakakamay para hindi matatapon ng ganyan. Alright, so we now have our cream cheese spinach pizza. Ano ba talaga? Spinach cream cheese pizza. Creamy spinach pizza. Okay? So, hello everyone. Dahil gutom na ang buong pamilya, pero gusto ko pa rin mag-tutorial ng paano magluto ng pizza. Wala nang intro-intro. Come on. Please don't forget to click subscribe, like this video, and share. And if you keep on watching my vlogs but haven't clicked the subscribe button and the bell button, please click it now. Come on, let's have our tutorial on how to cook pizza. How to bake pizza. Okay, let us start with this one. Ayan, we have here spinach. After that, next ingredient natin for this recipe is we have cheese. Yung cheese na to is a combination of regular cheese and easy melt cheese. 15 grams yung ginamit ko dito, but if you want to add more, then go for it. Next, of course, the cream cheese. Ang nilagay ko dito sa cream cheese na to is 3 tablespoons. Any kind of cream cheese will do. Any brand. Okay, so you may use that one. Next, we have garlic and butter. So, yung garlic, we just use 3 pieces, as in 3 na ganito. Okay? And for butter, we use 2 teaspoon of butter. So, it's up to you if you want to add more or to lessen it. And of course, last but not the least, our 6 inches pizza crust. That is available in all leading supermarket nationwide. Ayan. So, you just choose, but this one, we will be using 6 inches pizza crust. So, ito lang din yung oven na gagamitin natin. Ayan. As what you can see, this is the oven na I think available in all our house. Alam mo yon, nakikita to sa lahat ng bahay nationwide. Oh, wow, daming nationwide. So, are you ready to start? Alright. So, una muna natin gagawin is you are going to chop this spinach. Ayan. So, na-chop na. Option ninyo if you want to chop it more or what. But in our case, okay na to. Ayan. Actually, this is the first time na chinap namin. The first time na ginawa namin yung pizza na to, wala kaming ginawa din sa spinach. As in, buong dahon siya na nilagay namin. Next, ang gagawin natin is that, using the garlic and the butter, mag-start na tayo na lutuin sila all together. Alright, so ito yung ginagamit ng mga anak ko pag kumakain sila, even my baby. At dahil mukha siyang spatula, gagamitin natin siya. Oh, let's be resourceful. Yan, sama natin yung cream cheese dito. Yes, just mix it. Wow. Mix nyo lang yan, mga mommies. Ay, sorry. Okay, after that, ayan na. That's it. So, we are going to place it here in our pizza crust. Ayan, okay. Ayan. Mix nyo lang yan. If you want more, how do we call this, cream cheese, ayan, pwede pa kayong mag-add. Ayan. Actually, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese na inilagay ko dito. So, you may still add. Ayan, ganyan. Hayaan nyo lang siya. Pagka binake nyo yan, magkakaroon na yan ng sariling forma. Ayan. Sobrang low cost nito na pati yung nagde-demo, hindi talaga baker. So, para ano, diba? Makita nyo, mamis, na kahit sa bahay nyo lang, talagang you can do whatever you want. Alright. So, after nyan, add nyo lang tong cheese. Ayan, yung shredded cheese. Cheese. May tumapon. Ayan, pwede nyo rin yung kamayin, pero syempre dahil naka-video. Ayan, pwede nyo rin yung kamayin, pero syempre dahil naka-video. Ginanyan ko. Pero sa katotohanan, mas maayos ako nakakamay para hindi matatapon ng ganyan. Alright. Okay. So, ngayon ang gagawin natin, lalagay natin siya sa ating oven for 15 minutes. Alright, so we now have our cream cheese spinach pizza. Ano ba talaga? Spinach cream cheese pizza. Creamy spinach pizza. Okay? So kahit ano doon, so tatlo na yun na itawag nyo dyan, it's time to eat. So I hope that you learned something from this low-cost pizza. So, bahala na kayo kung ano itatawag nyo dito. Basta may spinach siya and may cream cheese. So, please do click subscribe, like this video, and share. Come on, it's time to eat. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Come on, mommies. Time to eat.